Understanding the phrase, kidney test, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, kidney test. This phrase might sound a bit medical at first, but it's often used in a more metaphorical sense. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. In the most literal sense, a kidney test refers to a medical examination of your kidneys. The kidneys are vital organs in your body responsible for filtering waste from your blood and maintaining overall fluid balance. A kidney test in this context might involve blood tests, urine tests, or imaging studies to check the health of these organs. Interestingly, the phrase, kidney test, is often used metaphorically. In this sense, it's not about medical tests at all. Instead, it refers to a challenging situation or experience that tests a person's strength, endurance, or capabilities. Think of it as a test of one's metaphorical, inner strength, or resilience, much like how a medical kidney test assesses the health and functionality of the kidneys. Examples in sentences. Moving to a new country was a real kidney test for me, but I learned so much from it. Completing this project on time will be a kidney test, considering all the obstacles we're facing. When using kidney test in everyday conversations, it's important to understand the context. Since it's a metaphorical expression, it's best used in informal settings. Appropriate context. In situations where you're discussing personal challenges or sharing experiences that required a lot of effort or resilience. Inappropriate context. It would be less suitable in formal or medical discussions, as it could be misunderstood as a literal medical term. So there you have it. The phrase, kidney test, can be both a literal medical term and a metaphorical expression for a challenging experience. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to take on your own kidney tests in learning English. See you in the next video.